You've heard the district attorney make public some very serious charges against 4 Milwaukee police officers. Quite frankly, I'm disgusted by the willful actions of some of the officers in our police department, and I'm appalled by the willful inaction of some other officers in our police department in failing to stop egregious conduct. It's a disappointing day for me. It's a disappointing day for the members of the Milwaukee Police Department, and it's a disappointing day for the city that we are all sworn to protect. The Milwaukee Police Department initiated this investigation. It was the Milwaukee Police Department that worked diligently and conscientiously and aggressively to get to the bottom of this case. During the past months, it was the Milwaukee Police Department that requested that the district attorney invoke the John Doe process, and he has done so and performed a remarkable job. It was our Internal Affairs Division that first detected a disturbing pattern of complaints. These complaints were initiated by individuals who had been arrested by a very small group of officers. This sounded the alarm, and it was ultimately our own police officers who provided testimony that validated these complaints and exposed some of the most egregious conduct. Now, I've said, and our code of conduct states, that we will treat error differently than willful misconduct. There is a distinction. In the last few weeks, we've talked about errors in judgment, and we have talked about ways the police department can improve. But today we're focusing on willful misconduct. Willful misconduct so egregious that the only appropriate response is criminal charges. Crime cannot be fought with criminality. Those who enforce the criminal law must obey the criminal law while enforcing it. The legitimacy of our entire system of justice depends upon that fact. Now, the Milwaukee Code of Conduct for its police department derives from our core values of courage, competence, integrity, leadership, respect, and restraint. These values guide our interactions with the community, and if we violate these values, we have violated the public trust and our own oath of honor. The conduct alleged today is by any definition disgraceful, and it's brought disgrace to the Milwaukee Police Department, and a hard-earned reputation has been tarnished. Through this difficult time, I ask our members to continue to focus on our core mission of creating neighborhoods capable of sustaining civic life. Through the hard, heroic, and unselfish work of our officers working with their communities, we have reduced crime and disorder in our most vulnerable neighborhoods. We must not falter in our continued commitment to the safety of all of our residents. The men and women of this organization have taken and will continue to take risk on behalf of the public good, and every day work to protect this community. Our mission has not changed. The criminal actions of a few does not negate the honorable work of the majority. Our officers continue to serve this city with distinction. To the community, I ask for your continued engagement with your police department and your continued trust. The police and the community need each other. Effective policing depends upon public trust, and public trust depends upon ethical policing. We pledge to continue to strengthen and to continue to work to earn your trust. Lives depend upon it.